This video explains how to buy shares of Anglo American and shows the practical steps. Anglo American is a global mining company listed on the LSEPLC under the ticker AAL.L. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a regulated broker to trade shares, and I use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an ID and to add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search box and type the ticker AAL.L to find Anglo American. Select the result that matches the LSE listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name, LSE listing, and ticker to make sure this is the right security. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, you can schedule the order or place it when trading reopens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase can be completed. After execution, your Anglo American position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the broker link is available in the video description.